From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. The sight of an eerie green sky before a fierce thunderstorm is sometimes perceived as a warning sign of an approaching tornado. But forecasters say that this long-standing myth might not be true. Scientists aren't completely sure why some intense thunderstorms turn the sky green, but research meteorologist Scott Bachmeier at University of Wisconsin-Madison says it could be linked to two factors: the color of the sky late in the day and the amount of rain in the storm. The first factor is sunlight, particularly as evening approaches and the sun is low in the sky. Around sunset, sunlight interacts with Earth's atmosphere in a way that can make the sky look orange or red. The second factor is a tall thunderstorm with an abundance of rain. Bachmeier says that the way reddish light before sunset interacts with the large amount of rain in the storm could explain the ominous green clouds. Massive thunderstorms with enough moisture to create a green sky are often severe enough to produce large hail and sometimes even tornadoes. However, seeing a green sky does not necessarily mean that a tornado is imminent. It is also not a reliable indicator of a storm's intensity, since the change in color is likely linked to the time of day. So, while a green sky doesn't always mean a tornado is coming, it is a sign that you should take cover from an approaching thunderstorm, just in case. AccuWeather meteorologists are warning that a popular vacation area will face drenching rain and thunderstorms throughout Memorial Day weekend, with inches of rain raising the risk of dangerous flash flooding. While some gaps in the downpours will occur, there is the potential for a foot of rain in some locations in total, with a few inches of rain per hour in some instances from parts of southeastern Kansas and eastern Oklahoma to central Tennessee through Memorial Day. As the ground quickly becomes saturated, runoff will increase exponentially, leading to sudden rises on small streams and surges along area rivers. A wall of water may blast through narrow valleys, which are popular destinations for campers and summer homes in the Ozark Mountains. Small babbling brooks can become raging torrents of water in a matter of a few minutes. People are strongly urged to avoid setting up camp in low-lying areas along small streams in this zone this weekend due to the flash flood danger that could evolve into a life-threatening emergency. Memphis, Tennessee has picked up 20.5 inches of rain from April 1st to May 21st, which is more than 10 inches above the historical average. Springfield, Missouri has amassed nearly 15 inches of rain, compared to a normal of 8.5 inches for the period. Fort Smith, Arkansas was only about an inch below Springfield's total for the 51-day stretch. Low water crossings, which are common in this zone, can be dangerous due to existing high water or the potential for streams to rise suddenly while attempting to drive through. Along with the likelihood of flash flooding in the Ozarks, rapid flooding in urban areas can occur with significant ponding on some area highways that drain poorly. South and west of the flood risk zone, severe thunderstorms will be on the prowl through Memorial Day weekend. By early next week, the likelihood of torrential downpours and the risk of flash flooding may extend into parts of the southern Appalachians and perhaps the zone still in recovery mode following Hurricane Helene from last September. That's all for now. You can find more regional forecasts and science-based articles at AccuWeather.com. And for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more from AccuWeather.